Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you use of one word for many words. So the first is condition of going from bad to worse, deterioration. One who is wise and hardworking, diligent. To give one's authority to others, delegate. One who drinks too much, drunkard. A period of 10 years, decade. Government by one man, dictatorship. A match in which neither team or side wins, draw. A song sung by two persons, duet. Money or gifts given to a girl in her marriage, dowry. A person detained or held by law, detinue. A speech made without preparation, extempore. A person who thinks only of himself, egoist. Anything said about a person after his death, epitaph. A thing that's difficult to understand, enigma. A book containing every kind of information, encyclopedia. A medicine that produces the desired effect, efficacious. That which can be explained, explicable. Person who takes an examination, examinee. One who believes fully in fate, fatalist. One who believes one who loves his own religion and hates others' religion, fanatic. Murder of a brother, fratricide, one who is not easily pleased, fastidious. A period of 2 weeks, fortnight, that which can be changed or molded, flexible. A person who eats too much, glutton. A person who talks too much, garrulous, one who can be easily deceived, gullible. Makeup room behind the stage, green room, money paid to an employee after his retirement, gratuity. One who acts as a middleman, go between. Place for storing grains, granary. A place for motor vehicles, garage. An office for which no salary is paid, honorary. The plan of stars, horoscope, a writing which cannot be clearly read, illegible. One who does not show favor to anyone, impartial. Objects without life, inanimate, that which cannot be solved, insoluble. That which cannot be seen, invisible. One who cannot make a mistake, infallible. One who cannot read or write, illiterate. That which cannot be moved, immovable. That which cannot be conquered, invincible. That which cannot be corrected, incorrigible. One who never dies, immortal. That which is against law, illegal. One who cannot be defeated, indefatigable. That which cannot be limited, limitable. That which cannot be cured, incurable. One who lacks knowledge, ignorant. Thank you.